I'm at a wedding shower and the young couple set up an origami station so the guests, can learn how to make origami with these beautifully designed sheets of paper. This pack comes with 12 different color patterns and each sheet is 6 by 6 inches. The packaging even comes with step-by-step instructions to 5 different flower designs. Here's one of the boys showing us how to make a flower with one of the origami sheets of paper. You can see that one side of the paper has a beautiful colorful pattern, while the reverse side has a solid color that matches the pattern on the other side. And here I am taking in a one-on-one lesson on how to make one of the flower patterns. The paper is of great quality, but also thin enough so it's easy to fold even if you have to fold down multiple corners. And this is actually my first time drawing origami, but I found the folds and creases easy to achieve even for a beginner.